Vim is a text editor written by Bram Molinar and first released publicly in 1991. Based on the ideas of the Vi editor common to Unix-like systems, Vim is designed for use both from a command-line interface and as a standalone application in a graphical user interface. Vim is free and open-source software and is released under a license that includes some charity-ware clauses, encouraging users who enjoy the software to consider donating to children in Uganda. The license is compatible with the GNU General Public License. Although Vim was originally released for the Amiga, Vim has since been developed to be cross-platform, supporting many other platforms. In 2006, it was voted the most popular editor amongst Linux journal readers. History: Bram Molinar began working on Vim for the Amiga computer in 1988. Molinar first publicly released Vim in 1991. Vim was based on an earlier editor, Stevie, for the Atari ST, created by Tim Thompson, Tony Andrews and G.L. Walter. The name Vim is an acronym for Vi Improved, because Vim is an extended version of the Vi editor, with many additional features designed to be helpful in editing programs' source code. Originally, the acronym stood for Vi Imitation, but that was changed with the release of Vim 2.0 in December 1993. A later comment states that the reason for changing the name was that Vim's feature set surpassed that of Vi. Interface: like Vi, Vim's interface is not based on menus or icons but on commands given in a text user interface. Its GUI mode, GVim, adds menus and toolbars for commonly used commands but the full functionality is still expressed through its command line mode. Vi tends to allow a typist to keep their fingers on the home row, which can be an advantage for a touch typist. Vim has a built-in tutorial for beginners. There is also the Vim User's Manual that details Vim's features. This manual can be read from within Vim, or found online. Vim also has a built-in help facility that allows users to query and navigate through commands and features. Customization: part of Vim's power is that it can be extensively customized. The basic interface can be controlled by the many options available, and the user can define personalized key mappings often called macros or abbreviations to automate sequences of keystrokes, or even call internal or user-defined functions. There are many plugins available that will extend or add new functionality to Vim. These complex scripts are usually written in Vim's internal scripting language VimScript. Vim also supports scripting using Lua, Perl, Python, Racket, Ruby, and TCL. There are projects bundling together complex scripts and customizations and aimed at turning Vim into a tool for a specific task or adding a major flavor to its behavior. Examples include Cream, which makes Vim behave like a click-and-type editor, or Vim Outliner, which provides a comfortable outliner for users of Unix-like systems. Features and improvements over Vi: Vim has a Vi compatibility mode but when not in this mode Vim has many enhancements over Vi. However, even in compatibility mode, Vim is not 100% compatible with Vi as defined in the single Unix specification and POSIX. Vim has nevertheless been described as a very much compatible with Vi. Some of Vim's enhancements include completion, comparison and merging of files, a comprehensive integrated help system, extended regular expressions, scripting languages including support for plugins, a graphical user interface, limited integrated development environment-like features, mouse interaction, folding, editing of compressed or archived files and GZIP, BZIP2, ZIP, and TAR format and files over network protocols such as SSH, FTP, and HTTP, session state preservation, spell checking, split and tabbed windows, Unicode and other multi-language support, syntax highlighting, transsession command, search and cursor position histories, multiple level and branching undo-redo history which can persist across editing sessions, and visual mode. Availability: whereas Vi was originally available only on Unix operating systems, Vim has been ported to many operating systems including Amiga OS, Atari Mint, BOS, DOS, Microsoft Windows 95 Main, 2000 Server 2003 Server 20088, IBM OS/2 and OS/390, MorphOS, OpenVMS, QNX, RISC OS, Unix, Linux, BSD, and Mac OS. Also, Vim is shipped with every copy of Apple OS X. Independent ports of Vim are available both for Android and iOS. Release history, see also. Comparison of text editors, editor war, list of text editors, list of Unix programs, Vimperator, Pentadactyl. References. External links, official website, online Vim documentation, online Vim help pages, by Improved, Vim, by Steve Auein and Errata. Books, Vim Introduction and Tutorial, Vim Tips and Tricks for Advanced Users on Benjamin Kipperman homepage.